Why isn't anyone clicking? We did everything right?
Marketing without psychology is just noise.
This one's got 12 gigabyte RAM. Yeah, but this one makes me feel powerful.
Logic says mileage. Emotion says freedom.
Every image, every word lights up emotion first, logic later.
Forget impressions of assets. What do they feel when they see us?
We're not chasing clicks. We're decoding people.
SalesEra bridges data and emotion, turning attention into action.
Finally, numbers that feel alive.
I didn't buy it because I needed it. I bought it because it spoke to me.
Because features fade, but emotions, they last.
Sell emotions, not just features. With SalesEra, they'll feel your brand.